In this video, we will see how to install Angular from scratch on Ubuntu or any other Linux system. To install Angular, first we need to install Node.js on our system. So first we will check the version compatibility of latest Angular with the Node.js versions. By checking version compatibility, we can install latest version of Angular anytime, even when this video gets old and there are new versions out there, but the process will remain the same. At the time of making this video, we have the latest Angular version 17.1.0 and it is compatible with Node.js version 18.13.0 or the version 20.9.0. The caret symbol with the Node.js versions indicates that the Angular version 17.1.0 will also be compatible with the minor level updates of Node.js versions. For example, Node.js version 18.14.0 or the version 20.10.0. Next, we will install Node.js version 20.10. To do this, we will go to the official GitHub page of Node Version Manager or NVM. Scroll down and grab the latest download link given there. We can copy the link with the curl or wget. Both curl and wget are usually used to download files using terminal. Copy the link and paste it in the terminal. If you see any error, it would be probably because curl or wget is not installed on your system. So we will install curl first by using the command shown in the terminal. After this, we will again use the command that we copied from the NVM GitHub page and wait for installation to finish. After finishing NVM installation, issue the command source bashrc to activate the installation. Next, we will issue the command nvm list remote to see the Node.js versions available for installation. We can select and install our desired version of Node.js from the list by simple command of nvm install and then version number, which in our case is 20.10.0. After Node.js installation is complete, we will activate the Node.js version by using the command nvm use 20.10.0. After installing Node.js, we will install Angular by using command npm install -g angular CLI. Here G stands for global installation, and then wait for installation to finish. Next, we will verify our Angular installation by using the command ng version. We can see that the Angular CLI version 17.2.3 is installed with the Node.js version 20.10.0. At this point, Angular installation is finished on our system and is ready to use. Next, we will create our first Angular project by using the command ng new and then the name of the project, which in our case is first ng project. This command asks us about the format of CSS files, so we will select the first option and press enter and wait for the command to finish creating the project. It will automatically install necessary npm packages. Now we will open our newly created project inside the home directory using VS Code and run the project. We will open terminal inside VS Code and run the command ngserve. We might see an error that ng is not installed. That's because we have not activated our Node.js version inside the VS Code terminal. So we will issue the command nvm use 20.10.0 to activate the Node.js and issue the command ngserve again to start the project. The project will now start building and running at localhost port 4200. Then we will open our web browser and visit localhost port 4200 and we can see our first Angular app is up and running. All the commands used in this video are given in the video description below. That's it. I hope you find the video useful. Thanks for watching.